The Artemis program is a series of complex missions that will let humans explore the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The first series of this program, Artemis 1, will be launched on November 14, 2022. This will be a test flight without a crew. It will establish the foundation for humans to explore deep space. Artemis 1 main missions are to show how well Orion systems work in space and to make sure that re-entry, descent, splashdown, and recovery are all safe before the first flight with crew on Artemis 2. The Space Launch System and Orion will launch from Kennedy Space Center's Launch Complex 39B. The SLS rocket is designed for missions to the Moon and beyond. Within 90 seconds, the rocket will reach its maximum atmospheric pressure. After separating the boosters, service module panels, and launch abort system, the core stage engines will shut down. As Orion orbits Earth, its solar arrays will deploy, and the Interim Cryogenic Propulsion Stage, ICPS, will propel it toward the Moon. 2 hours after launch, Orion will separate from the ICPS. ICPS will deploy CubeSats to perform experiments and technology demonstrations. Engineers will analyze the spacecraft systems and determine its trajectory during the several-day trip to the Moon. Orion will fly 62 miles above the Moon's surface, then use the Moon's gravitational force to propel it into a new, deep retrograde orbit 40,000 miles from the Moon. The spacecraft will orbit for 6 days to gather data and allow mission controllers to assess its performance. Orion will travel in a retrograde direction around the Moon during this time. After 4 to 6 weeks and more than 1.3 million miles of missions, Orion starts to return to Earth and will land within sight of the recovery ship off the coast of Baja, California, to test its ability to return safely to Earth.